Hello guys, I'm Tracy from K Hair Factory, specializing in providing all kinds of wig products. The use of wigs is becoming more and more popular all over the world. Have you ever wondered how to go from raw material to a complete wig that can be used without common problems? And now I'm so excited to share the details processing of making wig for deep wave. First step, remove deep wavy hair bundle. Mix water with a little salt. The hair bundle in water and rinse. Then brush the hair from the top to down. So use a white tooth comb, like an orange one in the video, to avoid tangle and setting. Then remove it gradually from the outside to the inside until the end of the bundle. You can comb it again, except the top down, to be smooth. Pay attention to use a white tooth comb to help prevent tangle and setting. Second step, after the hair has been combed, the moisture isn't enough not to dry. We put on a fake hat to complete a wig. Next step, after finishing the wig, if the hair is still soft, just spray and brush then style. If the hair feels tangled and unruly, tip the wig head and pre-mix water to rinse or condition. Use a white tooth comb to comb from the bottom of the hair to the top. When the hair is smooth, then put it in the styling tray you like later. It's okay to dry it or leave it outside to wait for the dry. After styling, the hair is dry. Final step, how to brush. When the wig is finished, we should spray moisturizer before combing the hair and pay attention to use a white tooth comb. Should brush from the bottom to smooth, then brush upward. Above is the whole process of making wigs and how to take care of the deep wave. So if you have any question about how to make wig of deep wave or want to deal with wholesale order, please contact me on the WhatsApp number in the description box. Thanks for watching.